Alright, doing a service call for Dave at this mobile home, and I get here and this is what I find. So it's disconnected. So it looks like I'm gonna have to reconnect that, and it looks like the gas is shut off at the main. So we'll be turning that back on. Oh, there's nothing to fix here. Oh, this is the weirdest thing. I thought the gas was off at the meter. Looked like it was. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, no, it looked fine. Alright, well, short and sweet. All I did was basically light this water heater and it came right up. I don't know what's going on with that gas line. I thought it was shut off at the main. So I came over here and I was looking at this. But of course there's nothing beyond that point, so it's on down there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Quick service call video. One of Dave's water heaters. He said he came out here last night. He couldn't get it lit. I don't know. Fired right up for me. Have a great day.